Hello everyone, this is Blolin from FX20 Pips. I'm just trying out this method of video posting of my chart analysis of the GBPUSD. Previously I have been doing a screen capture of different time frames and put my thinking in the chart, but it's sort of limited because I don't want to put in too many text per screen captured, and I thought using a video would be much better for everyone, as I can maybe hopefully explain better in the way of my analysis of this GBP USD. This is 8th of January 2023. Just trying to see what may or might happen for GBP USD next week, starting on 9th January 2023. Now, because it's the end of the week, we will start at the weekly chart. Now, this is the end of last week. All right, you can see that there was a long week generated. Now, this is because of the US non-farm payroll news. All right, and previously for past 3 to 4 weeks, you can see that the price rejected the 50 SMA, came down, it came down again. There's a slight pause, and last week it actually dropped, and then the news bring it back up to here. Right, overall weekly base, this is bullish. Okay, this whole area is bullish. I previously had some lines drawn. This was the previous one where I have a 0.1 here, 0.2, all right, and then it touches the 50 SMA, it break the trend line, dropped, but there isn't a good follow through bearish candle. Okay, this is bearish, but then the follow through was a bullish one. Okay, and then obviously last week seems to be carry on, but then carry on bearish, but then the NFP news bring it back up here. So what I'm going to do now is I might just change this line here, 0.2. I'm just going to put it here. All right, and 2 points makes a line. Okay, so basically this tells me that if price is not going to go any lower than here, shouldn't be looking for a sell based on this weekly chart. All right, okay, so what do I do next? Usually I then go to a daily chart. Okay, look at this daily chart. Now, last Friday it was it started with a bearish candle, and then due to the news it shoot up all the way. People call this outside bar candle. All right, whether it has any significance, I don't know, but what I can see is that based on my previous day settings, here, all right, you can see that this was the Monday opening, and price actually goes back to the Monday opening. All right, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday was here, Tuesday, all right, Thursday price dropped to here, and from the news price should go back all the way to the Monday opening. All right, so what are we expecting? What I want to see is a continuation of a bullish candle on Monday or Tuesday. Right, so that then we can actually take out some liquidity here. All right, these are all liquidity here. right? Now we can go to the 4 hours. Okay, so you can see that the news came in, followed by this huge candle, and the last 4 hours was just a doji. All right, it actually basically ended at the Monday opening. So what are the lines that I would draw from here? Okay, usually I go to the weekly. Okay, I would draw the previous week. Alright, I would draw the previous week high, previous week low, and then the previous week open and close. Right, and then go to daily. I would draw the previous day. Where's my previous day? There we go. Previous day. Okay, previous day low, previous day high, previous day midpoint. I would draw all these lines as a reference on where price is comparing to previous day or previous week. Okay, I draw it and then I could just simply hide it away. Okay, as and when I need it, I'll bring it out again. Okay, just like the lines, I will just remove it. Okay, let's go back. Let's go down to yeah, let's go down to 4 hours. All right. So some of the blocks that I have drawn is, where are we? Block. Yeah. Okay. This is under here. Okay. All right. So based on the 4 hour blocks, what I am expecting is for price to take up this liquidity here. Oh, sorry. Alright, these are all liquidity. For price to go up, remove this liquidity, and then for liquidity you need to find the next block, and I already have a 4 hours drawn here. So you know, expectation is price to go up, hit the 4 hour block. Okay, now what happens here, I don't know, because why I say I don't know, because there's a CPI data coming on Wednesday. So depending on where how the CPI numbers come out, the price could just keep going up, or it could bounce off from here. All right. We go to 1 hour. Right. How do I enter from here if I want to go for bullish? What I need to see is the price coming down, because price has risen too fast, so there'll be profit taking. Okay, and Monday Asia session time, I'm thinking that the NFP news will flow through to them. So I'm thinking that it might just keep going up. Okay. So how do I deal with this? What do I do is usually I would draw a pullback block. Okay. It's too long. I am wanting to see price come back a little bit more so that I can buy here for it to go up. Okay. I don't know how Asia session is going to start. It might just start with a gap from here and shoot up, but then again there will be profit taking, so I'm just trying to buy at a much lower price. Okay, so I don't know. I'll really have to look on Monday morning or London session to decide. Okay, but basically at this stage I block the price into this box, and then we shall see what's going to happen here. Okay, on the 15 minutes we can see there's lots of profit taking around here, and that's why the price coming back down here. Let's look at some channels I drawn previously. Channel. There we go. Alright. Okay, previously in my post I have said that buy at the bottom of a channel, and then assisted with the news, the price shot up. Okay, now it shot up above the channel, so I think at least we should see a retest of the channel before it goes up. Okay, but again, like what I say, there could be a chance that Asia session will open with a gap up, and then you just keep going up. Alright, yep, that is one of the possibility. Alright, the other things that I also draw is the Friday. So for every Friday I try to draw a low and a high. So this is a low for Friday, this is a high for Friday. Okay, and then I see how price react along this line within this Friday high and low. Yeah. Okay, so for next week I'm expecting price to keep going up until Wednesday. Alright, and then see how it reacts from a CPI, US CPI data figures. Okay, so this is the just some of the this is one of the video that I'm doing for a start to see how it goes. You know, doing a video and doing a chart is totally different, but I hope that you can see how I explain the chart. I try to be as fluent the next one, but yeah, this is just a start. Alright, and usually I will have a trade setup for myself before the London session opened. Okay, it's not meant to be a signal. It's just for myself. As I trade, I share with you. Okay, it's not me giving you a signal to buy or sell. No. Alright, I'm just showing you what I do, so I don't want you to misunderstand and use my chart and buy and sell because I drew something on the chart. Alright, you have to be responsible for your own action. Alright, yeah, I think at this stage this is the first video. Yeah, hope you enjoy this. If you have any comments, just put it in the Discord channel. Tell me how I can improve better. Alright, yeah, keep in touch in Discord. Thank you.